Hello, I'm Imane BERRADA, a PhD student at Hassaniya School of Public Works. I am pleased today to present you my work entitled Intelligent Banking with Big Data Analytics and Machine Learning, ID12, supervised by Professor BARRAMOU Fatima and BACHIR ALAMI Omar, that I thank for their supports. As we all know, banks are commercial institutions and financial institutions that collect deposits and distribute loans. The main objective is to maximize margins, increasing profit, and reducing losses. To do so, banks work every day and collect huge databases from personal and financial information, accounts operations, historical data from previous loans, real-time data, communications, transactions, mobile applications, websites, and social media. All these different sources gather different types of data, which holds precious informations that we need to extract and visualize to optimize the decision-making process. The problem is that how can we take advantage of this big data gathered every day, and how the bank industry can maximize its profit with data analysis and artificial intelligence. How can banks get smarter and more intelligent? What if learning from past experience contributes to have innovative and intelligent banking? Actually, with data analysis and machine learning, a lot of applications can boost the banking industry for more efficiency and productivity. To present the work that we have held, we will go first on some definitions. We will then present our methodology, our results that we will discuss, to end with a conclusion. We have found it necessary to present big data analytics, which is the process of extracting data to reveal valuable information that can help organizations make optimized business decisions. The data analytics pipeline starts with data extraction and ends with decision making. Concerning artificial intelligence, there is a definition that I like, which is making machines intelligent. These machines are then gaining the ability to learn, improve, and make calculated decisions in ways that they will be in ways that will enable them to perform tasks previously thought. Machine learning is a subset of AI that uses statistical learning algorithms to build smart systems. With big data, machine learnings have progressed to use created algorithms that can deal with large volumes of data of various forms. To go on our process, we first define the search question, which combines two parameters. The first one is artificial intelligence or machine learning or classification or regression or clustering or prediction. And the second one is banking, finance, loan, and or financial service. We have limited the research on conference and journal papers from 2017 to 2022 through Science Direct, Scopus, Web of Science, and i3E Explore. We have focused on relevant literature based on titles, abstracts, introductions, and conclusions. And then we have identified the main fields of interest in actual studies and machine learning, and especially for commercial banks. We have ended up with 153 articles that are presenting six main fields or the six big branches of artificial intelligence applications in commercial banking. You have fraud detection and money laundering, marketing and customer relationship management, process optimization, customer churning, security and compliance, and credit risk assessment and default prediction. In our work, we have focused on three main branches there: fraud detection, loan default prediction, and marketing. And there are so many applications concerning these three fields. For example, for fraud detection, we have fraud prevention and detection, which needs high precision and a real-time response. For loan default prediction, we have to classify good and bad payers and distinguish maybe other classes in order to predict the loan repayments. Concerning marketing, the new way of customized marketing or customized service is more and more applied and needed. So we need to address the right customer, the right moment with the right product, and this can be developed as many other industries using actually artificial intelligence. For our work, we have focused or discussed the articles found and studied according to datasets characteristics. We have real-world datasets from different countries and open datasets from Kaggle, for example. These datasets were classified according to their sizes, and we have from 300 to 1.6 million records with 3 to 400 features. We have noticed that SVM is the best choice when we have small data sets, and when we have more variables, we need to combine different algorithms and more complex algorithms. We have chosen a small selection of 11 articles between 2018 and 2021. And for which the star algorithms are SVM or developed SVM, as the size of the record or data set is small, and other algorithms with bigger data sets. The accuracy is the evaluation metric that we have considered to compare them, and which is for most of them more than 80%. We conclude that BDA and ML have good impact on the banking industry and very large applications from back office to front office, reducing cost and time and maximizing profit and preventing losses. For the three main branches that we have presented, and other applications as well. Depending on our purpose, there are one or some combined algorithms that deliver better results. And as we have already said, for small datasets, SVM is the more used and distinguished algorithm, whereas combined and more complex ones are more appropriate for big datasets. We have to highlight that today there is we still have resistance to change, so and AI offers many possibilities but doesn't cannot replace human contact in the banking industry. It is cost and time consuming to set up artificial intelligence and big data applications. Data protection and the law concerning it is also is a key factor to be able to develop more the business. We can compare with the limitations to evaluate the positive results and the invested resources in order to be able to go on an AI project. We must, or for future work, we recommend to study more the limits of each algorithm depending on the dataset. Here are some of the main references we have used and focused our study on. Thank you for your attention. Feel free to ask any question needed.